Hey, it's Vince Del Monte of the Vince Del Monte 7-Figure Mastermind, where we help online fitness experts scale to 7 figures in revenue. So we are out here in Marina Del Ray, California. Gorgeous out here, isn't it? I'm at a top secret mastermind, and I got a question from one of our 7-Figure Mastermind members who wants to write a book, all right? Let me tell you, writing a book is the best way. What type? The best way to get highly targeted leads. All right, if you want to see the people that are paying attention to your work, invest into your work, and then ascend to your higher dollar offers, your coaching, your membership, your events, your mastermind, etc., you need to write a book. What do you need to do? You need to write a book. All right, now that you've got that down, you're probably trying to figure out, well, what do I write? Don't worry about what you write. I want you to first figure out the title. All right, I bet you got a ton of books at home that you haven't written. Am I right? Yes. And why did you buy that book if you don't, come on over here, if you haven't written it? Because of the name of the book. And I'm gonna give you 5 ways to name your book. You guys ready for this? Just come on out here, I wanna check this view out. This is really, really cool. Everybody's out on lunch right now. We got this whole platform to ourselves. Isn't this awesome? So how many ways are there to title a book? 5 ways. All right, you guys ready for this? The first way to write a book is to use this concept: name it and claim it. All right, what does that mean, to name it and claim it? It's essentially like Financial Peace, a great book by Dave Ramsey, or The 4-Hour Workweek. You're making a promise in the title. For me, Maximize Your Muscle, Hypertrophy Max, Stage Shredded Status. All right, you're giving it a name and you're claiming a promise that they will achieve when they get the book. All right, so that's number 1. The second way is just do it. All right, come up with a just do it title, something like Stop Your Divorce. All right, great title, right? Or Think and Grow Rich. Those are called just do it titles. All right, what's the third way? How-to books. Fastest way to get somebody's attention is to simply add the words how to before the thing you're going to teach. One of my clients, Elian Gonzalez, has a book and it's called How to Bulk Up Fast. Are you unclear what that book's about? How to. All right, that's the third one. The fourth one is information gold mines. All right, what's an information gold mine? It would be a book that leads with something like 101 best ways to build your body, or you know, 101 great places to have your wedding. All right, does that make sense? So it's just a ton of stuff about the same topic in one place. All right, the last type of book title is I was just thinking that. What kind of book is that? What to expect when expecting. All right, so somebody, obviously a lady, just finds out she's pregnant. Guess what book she's looking for on the bookshelf. All right, so those are the 5 concepts to name your book. I'll run through them again. Name it and claim it. 2, just do it. 3, how to. 4, information gold mines. And 5, I was just thinking that. Hey, thank you to Dean Jackson, who shared that information with us yesterday. Give a shout out to Dean. If you're interested in writing a book quickly, he has a program called 90minutebook.com. That's not an affiliate link or anything. And you can get on a call with someone on his team. They interview you in 90 minutes, and then they produce a book. It might take a little longer, but that's their primary offer. So if you're interested in that, then check the link below. We'll hook Dean up with a shout out there. And hey, what's the fastest way to get highly targeted leads? Write a book. What are you gonna do in 2019? Write a book. I hope that was helpful for you. If there's a way I can help you take your online fitness business to the next level, there's a link below in the description. And I'd love to see where you want to go. And if there's a way for us to accelerate that process, we'll let you know on a call. And I think that's it. So, Marina Del Ray, place you definitely need to visit. One more last look at the ocean. See you later, guys.